guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a tag called Magnificent 7 Tag Fragrances I Can't Stop Reaching For. And I was tagged by Veronica Says here on YouTube. She's also the creator of this tag. If you guys haven't seen her channel, please head on over afterwards. I love Veronica. She does fragrance reviews. She also does these great makeup tutorials. She has a beautiful makeup collection, a great fragrance collection. She's really funny and she's a lot of fun to watch. She's beautiful. I'll put a link to her channel down below. Before I get started, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate that notification bell. Without further ado, let's jump right into this tag. So as I mentioned before, these are 7 fragrances that I cannot stop reaching for. And even if I'm wearing something else, I will have to pass by and sniff the fragrance. I'm gonna go ahead and start in no particular order. I also have one honorable mention because I couldn't pick just 7. So there's 7 and 1 honorable mention. So the first fragrance I can't stop reaching for, whether I'm wearing it that day or not, is New York Night by Bond No. 9. You guys, this is salt, this is caramel, this is coffee, jasmine, there's sea notes, which gives it that saltiness. It's very gourmand. It has a marine quality to it. It's smoky, it's sensual. I have to put some on. So this is one of those fragrances where if I'm wearing something else, I will crave this. I'll come up, take it from the shelf, and sniff it from the bottle. This scent is just so deeply intoxicating to me. It's sensual, it's gourmand. It smells delicious, delectable, edible. I just can't get enough of this. This is one of those fragrances that has all the notes that I just absolutely love. I have this on, I can't stop sniffing my wrist. I can't walk by this without smelling it. I do crave this one quite a lot because I do have a sweet tooth. The next fragrance on this list is Rolling in Love by Kilian. And if you saw my ranking Kilian review video, I mentioned this one. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link to it down below so you can check it out. This fragrance, you guys, is just so intoxicating to me. This is another one that I have to pick up and smell the bottle if I'm not wearing this that day. And if I am, I just keep sniffing my wrist. This is almond milk, it's amberette, there's iris, there's tuberose, there's vanilla, there's tonka bean, and it's very feminine. Oh gosh, this fragrance just really does it for me. It's sensual, it's feminine, it's elegant. And this is really an aphrodisiac because when my husband is next to me and I'm wearing this, he seems to not be able to keep his nose off of me. It's just so intoxicating. This is just an indescribable scent that a person has to experience for themselves. So this is the second one, Rolling in Love by Kilian. The third one we have here is Gris Charnel by BDK. And as you can see, I put quite a dent into this. This is such a comforting scent, but yet it manages to be sensual. This is cardamom, fig, black tea, sandalwood, giving it such a nice creaminess. I love the sandalwood in this. There's tonka bean, gives it a sweetness. This is aromatic, it's sweet, it's comforting, it's earthy, it's smooth, it's creamy. It's very enveloping. It feels like a warm hug or like a big warm sweater that you throw on a cold day. This is classy, this is elegant, this is modern. Such a good fragrance. I'm not big on the fig note in fragrances. The fig in here ends up smelling coconutty. So I thought that this would be my winter fall scent just because of its comforting properties and because of that tea note, just something that you think of for fall time. I was wrong in the heat. It's giving me summer vibes because this smells like coconut. So it smells like tea, coconut. Doesn't smell like fig to me. That's why I like it. and I've been wearing it and it works perfectly. This is another one where I just can't walk by it without smelling. I might spray some on my wrist on random days when I'm wearing something else. I just crave this one so much, so that's why I made it into my 7. The next one I have here is my Twilly Derme by Hermes. I absolutely adore this. I put somewhat of a dent in there. I've worn this so much. It has ginger at the top. They're orange, it has bergamot. It gives it a very effervescent, happy opening. It's a bit spicy, but sweet from that ginger. It's like a candy ginger. There's tuberose, there's jasmine. This has orange blossom and sandalwood and vanilla. It's playful, it's seductive, it's carefree, it's charming. This is just such a beautiful, uplifting fragrance for me. When I wear this, it makes me happy. I just adore this, and like I said, it makes me so happy. I can't walk by this without selling it, without spraying some on if I have to. I need my fix once in a while. I absolutely adore this. This is Twilly Derme by Hermes. This is my 5th one, and this is the only one Intense by Dolce and Gabbana. I was late to the game with this one, but I am so happy to have it. This is another one of those intoxicating, crazy good scents that I just cannot get enough of. This has coconut, green apple, there's jasmine, neroli, vanilla, cashmere wood, cedar, and this smells solar. Very happy, uplifting scent from Burring. It's seductive, it's creamy, it's lush, and intoxicating. So all of these, I would have to say, are addictive, because that's what keeps me coming for more. These all have that addictive quality. That's why I just can't get enough of them. Absolutely love smelling this. On days I'm not wearing it, I'll give this a sniff at some point or other. I will give each one of these some love at one point or another throughout the day if I'm at home. Number 6 is Poison Girl, my baby. This fragrance has been with me for a while now, and it does have a dent in it. I do love this so much. I love this almond goodness with the balsam, tonka bean. It has 2 types of roses. This has orange blossom. It's just so good. It's sweet, it's sexy, it's playful, it's warm, it's cozy, it's feminine. And this one is very flirty, and men are drawn to this like bees to honey. Men love this fragrance. It's just a very sensual, very playful, flirty, seductive type of scent. And I am strongly addicted to this. This is definitely one that I need to sniff at some point during the day. Poison Girl by Christian Dior. The 7th one I have here is Idole Intense by Lancome. This is a newer addition to my collection. I have smelled the original Idole in the past, and I always liked it. It's just that it didn't perform on me. This one, however, is a great performer. This is Beast. This stays on my skin forever. It has 2 types of rose. Jasmine, there's musk, patchouli. It's slightly woody, slightly floral, happy and uplifting scent with the most beautiful sillage. I love the sillage on this. It's amazing because I like the sillage a little more than I do when I'm smelling it close up. Not that I don't like the scent close up, but the sillage is beautiful. I will walk back to the place where I was, and I just love smelling it. There's no fruity notes listed in this, but it smells like there's pear. I think there is pear because this does have the DNA of the original, and the original contains pear in it. And I do think I smell the pear. This is Idole Intense by Lancome. Here comes my honorable mention. I had to talk about this one. So this is Rouge Saray by Atelier d'Azores. And look at these gold flecks you got. Absolutely love the bottle, the juice. everything about this. So I have to talk about this one because I do have to pick this one up quite a lot because it's also intoxicating. So this is a date-centric fragrance. I was looking for a fragrance with a note of date, and this has it. And it's very syrupy, it's sweet, it's gourmand. Notes of plum, cinnamon, dates, jasmine, there's patchouli, vanilla, Peru balsam, sandalwood, and it has all the notes. I love it. This is one that I need to smell. Especially if I'm feeling down that day. You know how food brings us comfort? Well, it does to me. Food brings me comfort. And especially if it's some kind of a dessert. Favorite food group, dessert. Oh, geez. Imagine dates dripping with honey. It's sweet, it's warm, it's decadent smelling. It smells like a table full of decadent dessert that's just laid out in front of you. It's very robust, very aromatic, very voluptuous. This is definitely not your warm weather scent, definitely not spring and summer. It's very sweet. But I do crave it. This will be perfect for fall and winter, but I got this recently and I'm not going to wait for the cold weather to come back. I love this. I can't get enough of it. So this is one I am still reaching for despite the warm weather. That says for something. I definitely had to include this one in this video. So again, this is Rouge Saray by Atelier. That completes my video for today. Please let me know in the comments down below, what are some of your favorite, like top 7, maybe not all 7, but some of your favorite fragrances that you can't stop reaching for. I would love to know. Please drop the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'll see you back here soon. Take care.